Hello everyone and welcome to the demo of Stardust. In this demo, we are going to be showing you the two components of Stardust. The first one that is a dashboard, an analytics dashboard, where both investors in the NFT space as well as token holders and new project creators can look at the analytics of different NFT contracts or other collections and see important things like the floor price movement, what is the community sentiment around that NFT, what is the collection name, what is the current floor price, what are the number of tokens, etc. So this is a multi-chain product. Right now we are supporting ETH, Harmony, and Polygon. And the example that you can see is a popular NFT contract called Board Ape Yacht Club, where you can see the NFT trends of the floor price in USD, right? You can see the chart. Yeah, you can see all the floor prices and how they have moved. This will give you an idea as to what might be the right time to invest in an NFT, or as a holder, what is the trend of the floor price of the NFT that you're holding. Apart from this, you can also see a small box on the right hand side, which is the community sentiment. This is basically based on the tweets and the community that is built around this particular NFT, right? Because NFT ecosystem is a collection of data plus community. And that is why we want to build this analytics dashboard, which is exclusive, which does not only show the price movement or just numerical data, but also gives you an idea of the sentiment analysis of the community around this NFT. Now, let us see another example of how this product actually works. Let's choose another contract. All right, so we can choose a contract called Cool Cats, which is also another popular NFT collection, which is going to hit the API and get the result for us. Let's wait for that a moment. You can see that the data for the Cool Cats is here. You can also see the floor price trend in USD for this particular NFT collection. It takes a while to get the data from the covalent APIs if you're using the the APIs, but it should eventually come through. And you can also see the sentiment analysis for this particular collection, as to what are the positive and what are the negative sentiments around this particular collection as of now. You can see majority of negative sentiments right now. That's probably because of the OpenSea hack that just happened, right? Now let's take a look at the next feature, which is the NFT liquidity. Now the NFT liquidity part of our platform is a unique and a niche area where users can actually get liquidity for the NFT that they're holding. The idea of this liquidity is that if you're holding an NFT and you want to, you don't want to let go of an NFT from that collection, but you still want to have some liquidity and ensure that the price movement of the NFT floor price is efficient, you can opt for this. And of course, you are able to trade those liquid tokens in the form of ERC20. So and again, this the liquidity platform is also multi-chain. Right now, we are going to be showing a test version on Harmony, but we also have a test version on Polygon built as well on the dropdown. Uh, Now, for Harmony, we are going to type in a collection address that we have already created ourselves, right? In this collection, now the connected wallet owns a token ID. So the user will input a token ID, and we can see that right now there is 5 kayak. So the user is going to input a token ID from there, and they will be depositing their NFT or submitting their NFT and will be receiving ERC20 tokens in return. So let's see how this process goes. So the first call that goes is an approval call. You can see a small notification on the MetaMask, number one, right? So the user has to approve the transaction. And once the approval is through, then the deposit call comes through. So let's just wait for the approval. Now, post approval, we can see that there is a deposit function that is being called, and you can see again the small notification on MetaMask. Once the deposit happens, Post that, you will see that there is an ERC20 set of tokens that has come into your account. So you can see that you have sent the NFT to the contract and you have received couple of ERC20 tokens. If you copy this ERC20 address and add it to your assets, you will see that you would have received a 100 ERC20 tokens. So the collection name was Harmony BAYC, so you have received 100 BAYC. Now, of course, post this, there are some other things that will come into picture. That is using balancer to provide liquidity, creating liquidity pool for bootstrapping liquidity pool. That's what we are looking to do. But the next step, of course, when you want to claim your NFT back, you can claim your NFT by depositing the ERC20 that you hold, the same number of ERC20 as you received in the beginning. You will have to deposit them back into the pool in order to receive the NFT that you had submitted. Right now, we are specifying the NFT that you can receive in your account through the token ID, but we are also thinking of making it random, because this whole process of providing NFT liquidity is really about affecting the floor price of the entire collection. So let's type in the token ID of our collection that we have already submitted. And there'll again be two calls. The first call is going to be an approval call to approve your ERC20 to be spent. Uh, Yet again, you can see the small notification on MetaMask. Once the approval call goes through, you will be able to see that there is a claim NFT call as well. So now you can see that you have got the approval. You can claim your NFT. You can yet again see a small dot on the MetaMask, the blue notification. And once the NFT is claimed, you can see that you get the NFT back into your account and your ERC20 tokens are actually burnt. So you can see that you have claimed back the NFT successfully, and we have burnt the NFT is back and the ERC20 is gone, right? So of course, the NFT liquidity pool is a niche area, and not many platforms are doing this. And because our contracts are written in Solidity and deployed on various EVM based chains, it is fairly easy for folks to use this platform and take advantage of the liquidity that can be provided by locking in your NFT, right? So this is pretty much our demo, and thanks everyone for being able to give us this opportunity to create this demo and create Stardust for ETH Denver 2022.